In this quick DaVinci Resolve tutorial, I'll show you how to create a heat haze effect using Prism Blur and fast noise. First, go to the effects library and search for Prism Blur. Drag and drop it onto your clip. Then, open the inspector panel, go to Effects, and adjust the blur strength and aberration distance to create a distortion effect. Next, search for fast noise and add it to the clip. In the inspector, change the preset to heat haze and adjust the appearance and contrast for a more natural look. Now, add another fast noise effect. Set the preset to water surface. Tweak the scale and contrast to refine the effect. You can fine-tune these settings to get the perfect heat haze effect for your scene. And that's it! You've successfully created a heat haze effect in DaVinci Resolve.